So, what is money? Well, I want to look at this from a more scientific point of view, so that we're not asking so much what money is, but rather what is the unit of money? What form does money take? And in physics, when we're trying to figure out what a unit is, we use these fancy smancy brackets, which basically just mean that we are focusing not on a numerical value, but rather the units of, in this case, money. So we're trying to figure out the bracket of money. Well, in physics, when we want to do this, what we do is we look for formulas. And formulas are basically just relationships. Formulas are basically just relationships between money and something else. And through this relationship, we try to figure out what money is. So the first thing we think of when we think of money, most of the time, is work. Well, in physics, work is very easily described. Work is equal to energy divided by time. And to use bracket notation, work is equal to the unit of energy divided by the unit of time. Alright, well, this still doesn't have money in it, so we're going to need a different equation too. And, of course, when we think of work, what else do we think of? Payment, or a salary. And these always have a very specific form. Like, for instance, say I get paid $8.50, that's $85, $8.50 an hour. Now, this is a very specific unitary form. Payment, or the units of payment, which are also equal to the units of the salary, are equal to the unit of money divided by a unit of time. Now, we know that when we work, we get money, and so we know that work is equal to payment, and that the unitary forms are the same, and we can plug in the other parts, so we get that the unit of energy divided by a unit of time is equal to a unit of money divided by a unit of time. Now, doing a little algebra, we can get rid of the times, and we discover that the unit of energy is equal to the unit for money. Therefore, money is energy. And this is very, 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 very important. And so, we have just mathematically and soundly proven that money is energy.